Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Logitech mouse scroll wheel is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the assumption is that the scroll wheel is not working but the mouse is working. So change the battery and clean the mouse. Now why would one change if the battery if the mouse is working? Well, just try it. It has worked for me, so you can try this one. The next one is to update the mouse drivers for every kind of mouse, and the next one is to update the USB drivers if it is a wired mouse. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for mice and other pointing devices. Right click and update the drivers, and then right click and update the second drivers. The next one is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. And the last solution is obviously to change the mouse, because we have tried updating the drivers, we have changed the battery, and there is nothing else that comes between the connection of the mouse and the computer itself, which will specifically impact the scroll wheel. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.